a little update on the air humidity capture device. Might not be that technical, but this bucket here has been collecting water from the air for the past, I want to say month, perhaps, because before that it wasn't hot enough. It was actually below freezing, and it doesn't work below freezing. So now we're going to see how much water is actually in here. First of all, have to get these ones out, and then we can take the bucket and pour it over. And bear in mind, this was just water from the air in the boat, which is kind of insane. And now we can refill this with new bags, so we can do this all over again. This is not a sponsored post, unless could be. So